In this video, we'll learn how to configure and use the Email Validity Check feature in Salesmate. This feature helps verify email addresses before sending, improving deliverability and reducing bounce rates. Before you begin, you will need to connect a supported email validation provider, such as NeverBounce or ZeroBounce. To get started, log into your Salesmate account and head over to the profile icon at the top right corner and navigate to Setup. Under Apps and Add-ons, open Available Apps. Search for your preferred email validation provider, like NeverBounce or ZeroBounce. Click on the Install button, enter the API key provided by your validation service, and hit Connect. Configure Email Validity Check. Once the connection is successful, navigate to Setup, followed by Email and Delivery, and open Email Validity Check settings to configure how Salesmate validates email addresses before they're used for communication. To start, enable email verification to verify email addresses before sending. Select your connected validation provider from the Validation Provider dropdown. Now, choose when Salesmate should verify email addresses. Turn on Verify Email Before First Send to automatically verify a recipient's email address before the first email is sent. If the verification becomes stale over time, Salesmate will automatically check it again, helping ensure better email deliverability and reducing bounces. You can also enable Re-Verify Email after a specified number of days and enter the desired duration. This helps ensure previously verified email addresses remain accurate over time. Once you've configured when validation should occur, decide how Salesmate should handle different email validation results. You can prevent emails from being sent to invalid email addresses. You can also choose whether to block emails sent to risky or unknown email addresses. If you prefer more flexibility, you can display a warning before sending one-to-one emails to risky or unknown email addresses instead of blocking them completely. Once you've finished configuring these settings, your Email Validity Check configuration is now complete. Using Email Validity Check. Now, let's see the feature in action. Open any contact record and locate the email field. Based on your configuration, Salesmate automatically verifies the email address before the first email is sent. You can also view the validation status directly from the contact record, helping you decide whether it's safe to communicate with that contact. Understanding email validation statuses. Once an email address has been verified, Salesmate displays its validation status, giving you greater confidence before sending emails. Unverified, default, never checked, identifies the email address that has not yet been verified using an email verification service. Unknown identifies temporary email addresses that are intended for short-term use and may not be suitable for ongoing communication. Invalid means the email address doesn't exist or cannot receive emails. Valid indicates the email address can safely receive emails. Risky indicates the email address may have deliverability issues and should be reviewed before sending. These validation results help you make informed decisions while improving email deliverability and maintaining a healthier contact database. Connect a supported email validation provider before enabling Email Validity Check. Enable email verification before the first email is sent. Re-verify email addresses periodically to keep validation results up to date. Review or block risky email addresses based on your organization's email policy. Monitor validation statuses regularly to improve deliverability and reduce bounce rates. And that's it! Your Email Validity Check feature is now configured and ready to help reduce bounce rates, improve email deliverability, and maintain a clean and reliable contact database. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Salesmate tutorials for more tips and best practices.